Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We have a radical expression with both square root and cube root. We have square root of x minus 2 is equal to cube root of x plus 2, and we are supposed to find the solutions to the problem. Now the left hand side is square root and the other side is cube root, so we need to just make these two similar. Let me write this left hand side as x minus 2 to the power of 1/2, and let me write the right hand side as x plus 2 to the power of 1/3. Then let's just take 6th powers of two sides to get rid of these fractions here. Then we will have x minus 2 multiplying these two powers. We have x minus 2 cubed is equal to, and here we will have x plus 2 squared. This is the relation here. Now, how to solve this kind of a equation. Let me write this again and think about x minus 2 cubed is equal to x plus 2 squared. Now this part is equal to x cubed minus 3 times x squared times 2, which is 6 times x squared, plus 3 times x times 2 squared, which is 12x, and minus 2 cubed will be equal to -8, and this is equal to x squared plus 4x plus 4. Let's just have everything left hand side. X cubed minus 7x squared we have, plus 8x and minus 12 is our problem, our equation. That's a cubic polynomial equation, needs to be solved. We have x cubed minus 7x squared plus 8x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now let me just write this as x cubed minus 6x squared, again minus x squared, plus 8x minus 12 is equal to 0. Now these two are x squared times x minus 6, and this part can be written with a minus sign. X squared minus 8x plus 12, this is equal to 0, and this can be factored into x minus 6 times x minus 2. So we now have a common factor. This is x minus 6. Let's just factor out this x minus 6 and write this x squared we have minus x minus 2. X squared minus this x minus 2, this is equal to 0. So the first root is obviously, we'll check later, but this is x is equal to 6. This part is x squared minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. No real root from this part since delta is negative, but the roots can be found by the quadratic formula. -1 will become +1, plus or minus root -1 squared is 1, 4 times 1 times 2 is 8, so the difference is -7 divided by 2 times 1, or this is also equal to 1 plus or minus root 7 times I divided by D is 2. Now let's check our 6 first. At the original problem, we had root x minus 2 is equal to cube root x plus 2. To check, we can write our real roots. X is equal to 6. Then this becomes square root of 4 is equal to cube root of 8. And this is absolutely true. 2 is equal to 2. I cannot check the complex values we have found now, but they should also be true. But the square root has no problem since they are already complex numbers. So the set of solutions is 6 and these 2 conjugate complex numbers. Thank you for watching and see you in another video.